Smart burner versus electric coil element. Cooking oil ignition. Unlike traditional coil elements, smart burner has been engineered to help prevent cooking fires. Here are two pans, both the same, one pan on a traditional electric coil element, the other on smart burner, and both with 1 cup of cooking oil each. Same stove, same burner size, and both stove dials have been set to high heat. Let's see what happens. While we're waiting, you should know that cooking is the leading cause of home fires. It is the leading cause of fire-related injuries and the second leading cause of fire-related deaths. It also causes more than $1 billion in direct property damage every year. A key reason is cooking oil being left unattended on a stove. Watch how quickly cooking oil can ignite on a traditional electric coil stove. By the way, this is a good opportunity to stress that the best way to extinguish a cooking oil fire is to simply cover the pot or pan with a lid, or even a cookie sheet, and turn off the heat. Never try to move the pot or pan while it's hot, and never put water on a cooking oil fire, ever.